Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Slightly different video today. Amazon have got a massive sale on ring products. I've always wanted one, but I didn't want to sort of spend, I think they're like 170 to 180 pound normally. But I've just picked up one of these, £100. So I'm gonna pop this up today. A little bit different type of video, but it's, you know, I've got it because of the Defender and all the tools and investments I've got coming into the channel. So I thought I'd jump on. Just gonna put it on a time lapse, and then I'll show you the after results. Bye for now. So I've just temporarily ran it down there to a plug top. I've got a full workshop build thing coming up. So yeah, that's the finished results. So I'm just going to run through setup. Setup wasn't hard. It was a little bit painful in terms of like waiting for the updates, stuff like that. This bit did miff me a little bit. They could have put a QR code inside the box, so you've fitted this up on your house or whatever, and you've got to try and scan this stupid barcode on the back, which could have quite easily been in a unique booklet inside of the box or something like that. I did triple check before I'm gonna moan about it, but you know, it's fitted tight to the building. There's no more movement on that thing. The camera's not focusing. It was, yeah, this was probably the most frustrating bit out of the whole entire thing. So the rest of it's pretty intuitive. Just follow the instructions, and then we're moving on to pairing the ring device to your home broadband, which is really nice because you don't need to really remember your password if you've got it saved on your phone. It kind of, I hate those apps where you have to, even though it's saved on your Apple device it's in your quick prompt passcode, but they still want you to manually enter a 16-digit mixture of caps locks, whatever your network provider is giving you. So we're just waiting for the setup mode for the camera to finish. Yes, the start of the painful updates. This one wasn't too bad, but I think the one after it was about 15 minutes long. Right, apologies about the orientation, but if you've got a Ring product, you know that it kind of hijacks your phone and turns it in that manner. This is what I love about the Ring products, being able to set this field within our plot of land. Sorry, that sounds very American. Within our property boundaries, and to not get notifications on people walking by outside of our fence and stuff like that. It just saves all the nuisance notifications. But I love this. I love being able to just drag it around. I think it's really brilliant. And you can obviously amend it at any time. If I find that maybe it's picking up too many people walking down the communal road, and I want to lower that bit on my gate down, obviously I can change that at another time. I did like that. I didn't set it up, but I do have young kids next door, and if I think that's an issue, then I can obviously drag that area out. But yes, no, this was the 15-minute update. This one really took the biscuit. So I will fast forward it and save you some pain. Right guys, thanks for watching. It's not my usual type of content, but it's protection of what you work hard for, Defender, and stuff like that. So the world's only getting a more crazier place. So if that gives me a notification at 3 o'clock in the morning and stops someone stealing or doing something, or at least I'll be about to try and protect my tools and investments and stuff like that. Like and subscribe, and I'll put an affiliate link which costs you no extra, just supports the channel. But jump on it, because they're £100 and I've never seen them that cheap before. But thanks for watching.